We're delighted to be here at Cleveland State today. Several hours ago, the White House made a announcement about the mass vaccination site, and it was our recommendation that it be here at Cleveland State for a number of reasons I'll talk about in a moment. This is very exciting. We are really at a point in this battle against the virus where we now have a very effective weapon. We have three weapons, three different vaccines, and they're very powerful, they're very effective, and it's the tools that we need to really drive this virus to the ground and to get back to normal in Ohio and across this country. Going into today, we'd already have 1.8 million Ohioans who have been vaccinated. This mass vaccination site will really kick off on St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. There'll be a kind of a soft beginning on the 16th for 100 people or so, test everything out. But on the 17th, we will be open for business right here. And we will be able to vaccinate up to 6,000 people per day. This will go on for 8 weeks. The first 3 weeks will be Pfizer, first dose. Then we'll turn right around, and the same people that got vaccinated the first 3 weeks will get their second doses on the 4th, 5th, and 6th week. 3-week protocol. It will be open for an additional 2 weeks after that. We've not yet determined which of the vaccines will be used for those two weeks. 7 days a week, we think approximately 12 hours per day. And our goal is to, not just here, but throughout the state, vaccinate as many people as we can, as quickly as we can.
This is great news today. This is really great news. More than 300,000 additional vaccines coming our way, if I did the multiplication correctly. That's a wow. That is really tremendous. I want to thank FEMA for their crucial support getting this mass vaccination site up and running. And I want to thank President Biden for his deployment of these sites across the country. This pandemic has been so devastating, and vaccines are our way to a safe, healthy normal. This mass vaccination announcement is great for Cuyahoga County and the region. Throughout this pandemic, I've been focused on the health and safety of our residents and making sure our actions are equitable. Minorities, especially African Americans, have suffered unduly in this pandemic. And our county programs have been very focused on righting this wrong, whether it's providing increased funding for COVID testing or our business stabilization funding, which helped hundreds of minority-owned businesses, or our rent relief, which helped thousands stay in their homes. The majority of those helped were minorities. This is an exciting development for the people of our region. It's been a long, hard road, and we aren't over it yet. We still need to be careful to wear masks, social distance, and limit our exposure to other people. But I'm thrilled to say that with this new mass vaccination site, the light at the end of the tunnel just got a lot brighter.
As president of Cleveland State, I am extremely proud to be here representing our faculty, staff, and students as I stand front and center with our public leaders as a trusted community partner. We're working together to solve this public health crisis. And as Cleveland's public research institution, providing these critical vaccinations is mission central for Cleveland State. And as these gentlemen and ladies behind me know, this takes logistics. And as an ex-military officer, we are here to help with those logistics. We also are here to help with the service providers that are going to be providing the vaccinations. And as we sit here today, at the core of Cleveland Center, culturally, educationally, logistically, we're really proud of our selection as the first state federal mass vaccination site for COVID-19 in the state of Ohio. Our mission at CSU to empower students, create knowledge, engage communities, and shape our world was really conceived with efforts like this in mind. Today, we get to step up and help again. And since the pandemic started, we have made safety of our campus community a top priority. We bring that same commitment and track record of success to this effort today. So let me thank our pandemic response team, particularly led by Senior Vice President for Research, Innovation, and Healthcare Strategy, Forrest Faison, former Surgeon General of the Navy, for pulling this together, setting up this site, and doing it so quickly. We look forward to working with the governor, county executive, and we appreciate everyone being here. Thank you.